The future is here, and 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for tech. From groundbreaking smartphones to revolutionary VR devices, these gadgets are redefining what's possible. In today's video, I'll take you through 5 game-changing gadgets you absolutely need to watch out for this year. Let's jump right in. First on the list is the XYZ UltraFold, a smartphone that's turning heads in 2025. This isn't your average phone, it's a hybrid between a smartphone and a tablet. The UltraFold features a 7.8-inch foldable OLED display that transforms seamlessly from a compact phone to a full-size tablet. What's more, it's powered by the latest Snap Pro X9 chipset, making it one of the fastest devices on the market. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming in 4K, this phone handles it all. Plus, it boasts a 108-megapixel camera with advanced AI for stunning photos and videos. If you're looking for a gadget that combines style, power, and innovation, the XYZ UltraFold is worth keeping on your radar. Coming in at number 2 is the highly anticipated VisionPro VR headset. Virtual reality has been making waves for years, but this device takes it to the next level. The VisionPro VR features 8K resolution, ultra-low latency, and a 120-degree field of view, delivering a jaw-dropping immersive experience. Whether you're gaming, attending virtual meetings, or exploring digital worlds, this headset makes it feel like you're truly there. But what really sets it apart is its mixed reality capabilities. By seamlessly blending the real world with virtual elements, the VisionPro opens up endless possibilities for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. With its ergonomic design and all-day battery life, this VR headset isn't just a gadget, it's a gateway to the future of digital interaction. At number 3, we have the PulseFit Pro smartwatch, a device that's making waves in the health and fitness world. This smartwatch doesn't just track your steps, it monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and even stress levels in real time. It's like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. But the PulseFit Pro isn't just about health. It also doubles as a productivity tool, allowing you to receive calls, control smart home devices, and even navigate with built-in GPS. And with its 2-week battery life and fast charging, it's perfect for people who are always on the go. Looking for a gadget to keep you healthy, connected, and productive? The PulseFit Pro ticks all the boxes. At number 4, we've got the OmniCharge X wireless power hub, a gadget that solves one of the biggest headaches of modern life: charging all your devices. This sleek power hub is capable of wirelessly charging up to 5 devices simultaneously, from smartphones and smartwatches to earbuds and even laptops. It also features multiple USB-C and fast charging ports, making it a one-stop solution for all your power needs. What's even cooler? It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel. With the OmniCharge X, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery again. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to hassle-free charging. And finally, at number 5, we have the AeroBot AI Drone, a cutting-edge gadget for photography enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. This drone features autonomous AI navigation, which means it can avoid obstacles, follow moving subjects, and even plan its own flight paths. It's perfect for capturing cinematic footage without needing to be an expert pilot. With its 4K HDR camera and ultra-stable gimbal, the AeroBot AI delivers breathtaking aerial shots every time. Plus, its compact, foldable design makes it super portable. Whether you're a filmmaker, a traveler, or just someone who loves tech, the AeroBot AI Drone is a must-have in 2025. And there you have it, 5 must-have gadgets to watch out for in 2025. From foldable smartphones to AI-powered drones, these devices are shaping the future of technology. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.